If you are looking for a simple and delicious breakfast recipe, you have come to the right place. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you 3 overnight oats recipes that'll be sure to keep you full and keep your kids satisfied as well. So make sure you guys stay tuned for this entire video to see all 3 recipes because they are delicious. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Angela and I like to do videos on all things about motherhood, family, and lifestyle. So click that subscribe button down below and let's get into the video. All of these recipes include the same base, which is a half a cup of oats. I always use quick oats. A half a cup of a milk of your choice. It can be an almond milk, a cashew milk, which I'm using today, or just a regular 2% milk. Sometimes I use that for my little one. And then a yogurt. I always go for Greek yogurt, preferably like one with less sugar or even a no sugar Greek yogurt because you're gonna be adding in some sweeteners afterwards. And really, these overnight oats are the best because you can completely tailor it to your taste buds. Recipe number 1 is my favorite. This is for strawberry cheesecake overnight oats. And there is a special ingredient in here that may surprise you, but all of these recipes take less than 5 minutes to make, so let's get into the first one. So take your half a cup of oats in a bowl. To that, you're also gonna add half a cup of milk, a milk of your choosing. And then a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. We really want to get that high protein in there. So for this recipe, I'm actually going to use some strawberry Greek yogurt. I know there's some extra sugar, so I try to get reduced sugar yogurt. Then a tablespoon of chia seeds for more protein. And then this is the secret ingredient. It is a tablespoon of Jell-O no-bake cheesecake filling. I know it seems strange. You can also get no sugar Jell-O cheesecake filling, and that is the key to make these overnight oats so delicious. Then you're also going to add in a half a cup of frozen strawberries. For this recipe especially, you want to use the frozen strawberries because when the strawberries thaw out, the juice actually ends up sweetening your overnight oats and making it so delicious and even more flavorful. And then I know I could go the fancy mason jar route, but you know what? These are kid friendly as well. And I want my little one to be able to eat right out of the container, and I get nervous with glass containers. So this little Tupperware container does the trick, and there we go, our overnight strawberry cheesecake oats. Recipe number 2 is for peaches and cream overnight oats, and this is my little one's favorite. So to get started, in a bowl, we're gonna combine our half a cup of quick oats, and then a tablespoon of chia seeds for that protein, and then a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt again. Any Greek yogurt of your choosing. You can use peach Greek yogurt, plain, vanilla, whatever it is. And then I'm also gonna add in a splash of vanilla. You can never go wrong with vanilla, so I never measure. And then a half a cup of milk of your choosing. I am using unsweetened cashew milk. Stir that all together. And then I'm gonna be using frozen peaches, so frozen sliced peaches. Again, we want them frozen so that as they thaw, the juices sweeten up these overnight oats even more, and this is delicious. It's my little one's favorite. So again, I'm gonna pop them in a Rubbermaid container, as you can see. This is kid friendly, and then pour a splash of half and half cream over top. Pop these in the fridge overnight and you will have breakfast and you will be loving every last bite. For the next recipe, if you are looking for something that is so cozy that you could also warm up in the microwave, this next one has you covered. This is my apple pie overnight oats. All right, to start out with, you are going to core and chop up half of an apple and chop them up into bite-sized pieces. I don't mind skin on my apple, but you can also peel off the skin. Then again, here we go with the same recipe. We have half a cup of oats in a bowl, followed by half a cup of milk. And then I'm going to add in half a cup of French vanilla Greek yogurt, get that protein in there. I didn't add chia seeds to this recipe this time, but you can absolutely go ahead and add those. Then I'm gonna add in my apple.
This is where it gets tasty. A splash of pure maple syrup. Oh my goodness, so tasty, you guys. And then sprinkle in some cinnamon to your liking. I like cinnamon, and I warmed this up in the morning, and I could have sworn I was eating apple pie for breakfast. It is so filling. I felt full and satisfied all the way up until lunch. It is so delicious. My little one and I sometimes split these breakfasts, but these are delicious. I hope you guys give these recipes a try.
All right, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed these 3 overnight oats recipes. Let me know if you are interested in seeing some more kid-friendly, family-approved meals, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.